my YouTube channel Dream Industry. So guys, in this video I would like to tell you about what is hotel and the major departments of the hotel. So guys, first of all I would like to tell you about what is hotel. So as we all know that hotel is a place where we get the accommodation along with food and beverage service and other facilities. Guys, first of all, I would like to tell you about front office. So guys, as a name, front office, which means that front of the house, means it is a first interaction of the guest with the hotel, and you can also say that it is a first impression. So guys, if you take an example, अगर कोई आपके घर कोई मेहमान आता है तो कोई ना कोई उन्हें रिसीव करने के लिए होता है ना, तो वही चीज़ है कि फ्रंट ऑफिस वही सेम रोल प्ले करता है, अपने गेस्ट को वेलकम करता है, रिसीव करता है, उस सारी प्रोसेस को फॉलो करता है, चेक इन कराता है गेस्ट का, ये सारा काम फ्रंट ऑफिस का होता है. मीन्स दैट इट इज़ एक्ट लाइक अ main attraction or a main impression of the hotel, and as we all know that a first impression is a last impression. Secondly, I would like to define what is housekeeping. So guys, housekeeping is a department which is responsible for cleaning and maintaining of the hotel. So guys, housekeeping ऐसा डिपार्टमेंट है जो होटल में क्लीनिंग के लिए, उसकी मेंटेनेंस के लिए और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए काम करता है, लाइक डेकोरेशन वगैरह भी हाउसकीपिंग ही करता है. Now, I would like to tell you about F&B service. So guys, F&B service is a department which is responsible for food and beverage of the guests. Means that in this we include restaurant, we include bars, we include pubs, everything's come under in room F&B service. Now I would tell you about our food production. So guys, food production is a major department of hotel industry, and it is responsible for making delicious food for the guest. And guys, ये कहा जाता है कि होटल में खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि लोगों का मेन अट्रैक्शन यही होता है कि फूड टेस्टी होना चाहिए. मतलब कि अगर हम उसे चार्ज कर रहे हैं तो उस तरह का खाना भी उसे मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर गेस्ट किसी चीज़ के लिए हमें पे कर रहा है और वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हुआ तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. Now my friend Sajal will be tell you about the supporting departments or helping departments of hotel industry.
Guys, I am back. Till now, you have learned about the major departments of the hotel. But now, I am going to give the knowledge about the minor departments, which are the backbone of every industry. So, come with me. So guys, let's put some light on this knowledgeable topic, minor departments in hotel. First and the most important department is security department. When it comes to the guest safety and security, the hotel priority is to make their field guests safe and secure. Hotel security protects hotel guests, employees as well as the property. Hotel security typically works directly on the hotel property, patrolling the grounds and in an office, monitoring security cameras or filing the paperwork. If a situation calls for it, the security departments also contact to the local police station. Finance department. The finance department in a hotel plays a major role in tracking the cost of running the hotel, making sure that the revenue makes a profit. However, there are various departments in the hotels that work in a coordination and generate revenue for the hotel for a better development and growth. Another most important departments which comes under the minor departments of the hotel are human resource. The major function of the human resource department is a company loyalty, team building, recruitment, selection, onboarding, maintaining a healthy work environment, managing compensation and benefit plans, keeping records. In hotel, human resource department is majorly people driven, and the human touch is a key. sales and marketing. It is the also minor department which acts as a backbone for a hotel for generating the more income. A sales and a marketing manager in the hotel industry is responsible for maximizing hotel revenue by developing programs to increase occupancy and make profitable use of its accommodation, meeting, and leisure facilities. The sales and marketing team has a sustainable influence on the profitability of the business. Engineering department to provide the comfortable stay for guests. Engineering department plays a vital role